With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here we are having a question that says which set of the cell in our body exhibit Amivoid movement. We are having four options. Option 1 says RBCs but not lymphocyte. Option 2 says RBCs and not lymphocyte. Option 3 says macrophages but not leukocyte, and the option 4 says leukocyte and macrophages. So in this question we are basically talking about your Amivoid movement, which is a type of your movement. So for understanding your Amoeboid movement, let's start with understanding the movement. Your movement is a characteristic feature of living organism. Even the cells present in the human body exhibit movement. Basically, there are three types of movement which are exhibited by the human cells. The first kind of movement which is exhibited is your Amoeboid movement, and the question is also about your Amoeboid movement. Then we are having second kind of movement which is your Ciliary movement, or it is also known as your ciliary effect. And the third kind of movement which we are having is your muscular movement. So we will understand a little bit about all three kinds of movement, and then we will select the correct option according to our knowledge of understanding. Now, talking about your muscular movement first. Basically, this is the movement which is exhibited by muscle cells through a type of contraction known as muscular contraction, such as contraction of heart, contraction of, you can say, muscles that is causing movement of limb and jaw, tongue movement. All these are your muscular movement. Now, we will be moving on towards the second one, which we are having ciliary movement. So, ciliary movement is basically the reproductive cells like sperm and ova shows ciliary movement. The passage of ova through fallopian tube towards the uterus is facilitated by this kind of movement. Now, moving on towards the first movement, which we are having Amoeboid movement. Basically, Amoeboid movement, skeletal filament and microfilament in the cells are responsible for the formation of pseudopodia in the cells. Now, the pseudopodia is the extension of cytoplasm in the direction of the in which the cell needs to move. In this way, it helps the movement of the cell, and this type of movement, if we talk that which is exhibiting this kind of movement, so we are having your macrophages, and along with that we are having your leukocyte which exhibit this kind of movement. So this exhibit Amoeboid movement so that they can move towards the foreign particle and disease cell and capture them. So eventually we understood about your Amoeboid movement as well. Now if you go back to the option, we can see that option 4 is the correct option with respect to this question. Rest all three are the wrong one. So this was all for this question. Hope you have understood it well. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.